MIUI 12.5 new update is here. 21.6.18 nightly beta update. If you don't know, China betas always update nightly. Almost every night they got an update, and we have installed it on our Redmi Note 8. But let me just tell you, this is not about last night update. It's just about that the new features are coming in MIUI 12.5. We're just gonna talk about all those features, but everything else things are same as it is MIUI 12.5. It's not about a device specific video. It's just about the new changes right now. Till now we got in MIUI 12.5 latest update. Everything else things are actually basically same. If you don't know, if you move on to the check for updates, you will see the new update every night. For example, 21.6.18 new update will be 21.6.19 if I'm not sure, if I'm not wrong, by the way. Moving on to the all specs, let me just tell you that these features arrived in Android version 11. Most of the devices already got the Android 11. I don't think so any device has Android version 10. Only Redmi Note 7 had the Android 10, but that was also close. So I don't think so any device has Android version 10. Every device has Android 11 officially, not talking about the unofficial build. If we move on to the settings, and let me just talk about some new UI changes. First of all, here you have the fingerprints, face unlock and screen unlock, which was not like that. It was something different text, but now we have this fingerprint, face data and screen lock, new text written here, including that we also have the security tab. If we move on to fingerprints, face data and screen unlock, you'll see the text is changed to fingerprints, face data and screen unlock, but else things are actually same. There's nothing major change here, but only the text is changed. But yes, the UI change is there, so a little bit difference available. And the second thing which we saw is this new security option, which is actually not a security app intent, or you can say, if you click here, this is not the security app which is opening. This is showing your device security, find device, which is available. It also has this personal safety, which includes the MIUI warning center, earthquake warning, disaster warning. Like there's some cool new security features. Of course, security is equal to MIUI, kind of a joke, but yes, it's there. We have the earthquake warning option available for you. I'm not sure if these features are working fine on all devices or not, but the features are present for it. Also the financial security, secure keyboard, payment security, block list, check website, privacy protection. There are a lot of things available in this security sub menu. I'm not sure if this might be an app which could not be opened from the main drawer, but else things are actually same. This is not that security app, by the way. The security app still there. I'll talk about that later on. Here in other features, we have almost same kind of options available for you, like the new power menu, new volume panel. The things are actually same here. New volume panel has this new kind of animation, silent, etc. Actually, the MIUI 12.5 volume panel seems to be very good. In my opinion, I like this volume panel a lot. It's far more better than the MIUI 12 volume panel. MIUI 12 volume panel is the normal basic one, but MIUI 12.5 volume panel is little bit advanced, so looks good. Let me just talk about two more things here. If we move on into app drawer, which has the app drawer option available, I just saw a change in the music player. It is not the default music player. I'm not sure if it is changed in other versions also, but what I saw after installing this latest update, that's why I just wanted to share with you that the music player is also changed. It's just a China beta, so not sure you will see this in other updates, other ROMs, but in MIUI 12.5 China beta the features are same. And as you can see, this is the security app which you have. Security app is not changed, it's still there, but that security tab which was something different, so that's something different. This is something different. Now we have the security scan option available there, which is not available there previously. If I'm not wrong, that was not there, but things are actually a little bit changed. Now we are getting MIUI 12.5 stable update also, so things should be changed, but everything else seems to be same here. Utilities apps, the test networks, solve problems, etc. Same kind of options available for you. No major change, but yes, this is actually what it is. Other things are same here. So these were the things I just want to let you know. Smoothness, etc. is quite good in MIUI 12.5 China beta updates always. If we talk about, let me just tell you one more thing. You also have the Mi AI. Let me just tell you that Mi AI would not work if you're using it in other languages, like if you're in India, if you use Hindi or English like this. Mi AI will not work. It will only work with the simplified Chinese language. So yes, this still present there. And if you want to install Google Play Store in this China ROMs, I have a dedicated video already available on these things, so make sure to find out that. Things are actually same. This was all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.